Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 18th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day and gold came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis from gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So I just finished up my FOM live stream and I just wanted to come on real quick just to show you what I was talking about. Now, we did have a break of structure to the downside on gold, and this spike right here is a higher high, so to me this seems like a pretty significant break of structure, and this does look like at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. So now I got my Fibonacci retracement on that 5 waves up. Now we need to observe this move down to see if it's corrective, overlapping, and it bounces off a fib level and potentially continues the uptrend, or we need to observe it and hopefully learn and earn at the same time whether it's impulsive and not overlapping and eventually goes down and breaks structure. If it does break a significant structure, it could even be the end of a wave 3 on the daily time frame. So either ways, like I said, we did have FOMC today, and they did end up lowering interest rates by 50 basis points instead of the 25 basis points that they were forecasting. Then tonight we have unemployment change, unemployment rate, or employment change and unemployment rate for the Aussie. Tomorrow we have interest rate for the pound, which should be a good one. And we do have some dollar news in the afternoon, so another pretty busy news day for us tomorrow, definitely. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.